Between my dad's like 8 vehicles and our 4 vehicles and all the UTVs and tractors and ATVs, we're always doing oil changes in my dad's shop. So having something like this 8-gallon waste oil drain tank makes things so much easier. The brand Vevor did send it over to us in exchange for this video. This thing has a nice big funnel on top, 16.5 inches wide, so you don't even have to perfectly line up or worry about splashing everywhere, and you can raise it or lower it depending on what you're working on. So whether it's a car, a truck, or if you've got it on the car lift like we do, it can still reach where it needs to be. And once the oil starts draining, it all goes straight down into the tank. And we love that it actually holds a full 8 gallons. So it means you knock out a few oil changes before needing to dump it. The wheels on the bottom roll smoothly too, so we can move it around the shop without having to fight anything or lifting anything. It also even comes with sealing tape and clamps if you want extra protection, but really it's been holding tight just like this. If you've been draining into little pans or trying to pour old oil back into the containers and try not to spill it all over the floor, this is definitely way better. We know that this is going to get a lot of use from us. We hope it works for you too, and I hope this video helps.